I'm enjoying this wind. The name of it is Niu, the wind of this area that comes down from the mountains. And I think for me, it is a reminder of all of the things that we love about Hawaii. Our trees and our greenery and our hula and our mele and the sound of the wind through the trees. We love it. It reminds me that we need to remember those names of our winds and our rains, and that us as Kumu hula and researchers, we need to go and look for those old names of places and so that we can remind them, our next generation of hula practitioners and our lahui, about those old stories. And that's what Prince Lot does, brings back those old stories of the past to this generation.